Hey there.
Hey, Eddie.
What do you have?
We've got some chickens.
Chickens. Introduce yourselves.
Hey, I'm Chris, and this is my sister Casey.
Hey.
Casey.
And we're buddies of Paula. And
our chicken guru.
Yeah. Well, Casey's
I'm the chicken lady.
the chicken lady. And Paula called and said she needed some chickens, so here we are with some chickens. Hey, buddies.
And so quiet.
They are. They're very docile. They've been living together their whole lives, so they are friendly with each other and ready for Paula's coop.
Well, speaking of Paula, she is so excited. She's got that coop all decorated up and ready to go.
We're ready to see it.
All right, let me go grab her.
All
Okay.
right.
Hey, Paula.
Yeah.
We've got a special delivery.
What?
We've got a special delivery.
What is it? The chickens? Are the chickens here?
We've got the chickens.
Hey, baby, the chickens are here. Let's go. Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh, chick.
Oh my goodness, what?
How you doing?
Oh,
Hey.
y'all are so sweet. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so
Lulu.
sweet.
Hey, Paula,
Hey,
how are you? So good to see
Oh,
you.
look.
Look at their house.
Lulu.
Paula, how about that? That is a good-looking chicken coop.
I just love it.
Hey, Aunt Peggy, how are you?
Oh, and I love you, chicken.
Yes,
Are they
ma'am.
pretty?
How many do I have?
You have 10 in there.
Okay. Where's the ones with the white fur on the head and their feet?
Now check this one.
This one
Well,
is
get
not
that
full
one.
grown yet.
Uh-huh.
And then there's one back there. Some
No,
are laying
so-
already and some aren't. So
Yep, you're gonna get some blue eggs out of this one.
Yay!
What's the name of it, Casey?
Ericotta,
Yes, and then you got Rhode Island Reds.
the Ericotta.
Ericotta. Like terracotta.
But
I-
But
kinda
it's
Ericotta, sorry.
like Americana.
Y'all know Aunt Peggy, right?
Yes,
Hey,
ma'am. How
nice
are
to
you?
see you again.
Yes, ma'am. Good to
She's-
see you.
She came over to see her doctor. So I'm
Okay.
so glad she was here to welcome my girls.
Well, about half of them are laying, so
Yes.
you'll have eggs ready. You're ready for
Oh,
eggs.
Chris, I'm so excited. Y'all, these two folks in my chicken coop down the road, they brought the chickens to me. And it was so wonderful. I loved those chickens so much. Now, are they going to be cold tonight? I don't have a heater out there.
I think they're gonna
They'll
be.
be
They're gonna be
fine,
good
yeah.
tonight. They're
Yeah,
gonna
we've
be.
got fresh
They're
hay in there.
acclimated. You got fresh
Yes.
hay.
Look, Sandy! Now, this is my sister-in-law, Sandy.
Hey there. How are you?
Hey.
This is Chris. This is Casey.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Likewise.
Come look at our
Nice to
baby.
meet you. Oh,
Hello, raise these.
no, these my cousin actually raised those. So,
wow.
yeah.
I can't believe that.
Casey.
Are
is
they gonna let
Paula's
me
chicken
hold
lady.
them?
Yeah.
Will they let me hold them?
They should, yeah. His daughters hold them all the time. So
Are you
do it.
ready?
Well, we're gonna take them to
Let's-
the.
Oh, let's
get them on down.
All right. So this is another question I want to ask y'all. I would like for them to be able to free range an hour or two in the day.
Okay.
Is that possible?
I think you'll be very good with these chickens.
Yeah.
Doing that.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. They will.
Just get them some special worms or crickets. And
Yep, and they
Get
would
them out and then get them back in with the.
absolutely.
I would keep them in for a little while and
Oh,
feed
yeah.
them in there, and
Yeah.
then as
No,
soon as they
It'll be
Realize
at
this is
least
home.
the end of next week.
yeah.
Yeah, I remember at Riverbend, you would take them and just coddle them and cradle them.
You know what? Chickens love to have their ears scratched.
Really? Never heard that.
I'd sing to them and rock them and scratch their little ears.
I like my
love
ear
it.
scratched too, Paula.
I do too. Well, let's show them home.
Okay. Here we go. Headed to the new coop. Oh, where'd you find the door?
I found that at Picker Joe's.
I love it.
It came
I'll go first.
off of a building downtown,
Uh-huh.
and I want you to look and see how thick that glass is, and it's beveled. It's a beautiful door.
I love it.
Oh,
Okay.
come on, my baby.
Hang on.
Look at Lulu. She can.
All right, come on, Lou.
Hey, Lulu, what you think about
Come
it?
on, Lou. Lulu. Lulu.
Okay, here we go.
Say, give me some fried chicken. What, baby?
Here,
Whoa.
you got it?
There they go. They are finding
Oh my God.
food already.
I love y'all so much.
All
Don't
kinds
run
of
from
fun stuff.
Oh my God.
Isn't that one
look at
great?
her hair. Oh.
Look at his head.
How
Yeah,
gorgeous.
she's still pretty young.
Yeah, she's
I
young.
can tell she.
Yeah.
I would eat their food before I ate my chicken.
I believe you. I know how much you love your
It
chickens.
is the truth.
Ooh, they found the food.
Yeah, they have found food.
Yay!
Oh yeah, this is
My
perfect.
beautiful chickens.
Here you go, Paula.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Chris. Now you're not gonna peck me. I know that you got peckers.
You ready? All right.
Oh. Oh. I may have to call you Red.
Uh-oh, here comes
Ritz.
Papa.
Oh no. Look at that little chicken, he's pecking my feet.
That's the one with the funny head.
Bark, bark, bark. Michael,
She's still getting her feathers in.
come see my babies that you gave me.
To your house.
Go peck him. Go peck him.
Hey, I'm Casey.
Go peck him.
So they're soaking.
Bark, bark, bark.
Crescent is
Now, that's a crescent, I believe, there, right?
I've never seen a collection like that.
I know, aren't they beautiful?
Right.
I'm so afraid they're gonna get cold. I need a blanket for them, maybe to lay on.
No,
They'll get up in
no.
there.
They say
It's
fresh hay, no blankets because they'll get cold. That way. Because blankets tend to absorb
Central heating
moisture.
Oh yeah,
She
and they
mentioned bringing
freeze.
them in tonight.
They're gonna sleep with you tonight. Michael, thank you so much for my chicken coop and my chickens. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look. Oh, I love y'all so much.
I said, I don't know what I just agreed to, but
You just nod and say yes.
Oh my gosh, I don't know which one's prettier than the other.
I like the
Love
black and
these.
white.
That's my favorite.
Yes.
She's my favorite.
Yes. And those are Rhode Island Reds.
Yeah. Red ones are Rhode Island red.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
the black and white, those spec, we had a lot
Rod Rock.
of
Is it
those.
Rod Rock? or
Yes,
something
yes.
Who? What are their names?
Rod Rock, something like that.
Rod Rock.
Rod. Something like that.
She's
That looks like a
almost.
rooster right there.
We ain't having no roosters around here. You the only rooster we gonna have. Well, maybe Eddie. Look at that beautiful, what's it called? Back there, what a beautiful backdrop for them.
That is pretty.
Yeah, hey, I'm sure that guy thinks the same.
Those red berries.
I don't know, is that
Is it Paracantha?
Yeah.
Our Paracantha.
That guy probably don't think the same.
Miss Paula, I teach third grade, and my students, they always ask me what I'm doing. I said, well, I'm taking some chickens to Miss Paula. And I told them who you were, and they said, she's going to cook them. I said, no, baby. I said, no, she loves the eggs, and she loves them like her little pets.
Oh, they are just beautiful, and I can't thank y'all enough.
Yes, our pleasure.
Look at Lulu over there in the cage just wanting to smell those chickens. I cannot, this is just the most wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing to have my chickens. I've missed them so much. And so we got to get names for them. And I'm going to come out and I'm going to take turns rocking them and scratching their ears. And I might give them a live cricket or two. They'll love me. They're going to love me.
I'm gonna name one of them Drumstick. How about that?
I'm going to teach everyone to pick your face off. Y'all, get you some chickens. And not in a bucket, neither. Not a bucket. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.